everyone, welcome to our channel Mom vs Kuti. In today's video, we are going to be doing a picture of a gypsy girl with color pencils. Before we move on to the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Now let's move on to the video.
Hello everyone, welcome to the journey of color pencil shading with me, Manushri. Today I've picked out a picture of a gypsy girl. Generally, gypsies are super bright and colorful. So, let's start coloring this with more colorful and vibrant color pencils. First, we are going to start off with the feathers. So, for those, I've picked out some fun and joyful colors that go well together, like yellow, orange, red, pink, purple, blue, yellow, green, and shades of blue. First, outline the feathers with the darkest color in your combination. Then, shade it in the corners with the same color, and as you're going towards the center, decrease the pressure of your hand. Then, take another color which is lighter than your first one and shade it over it. After that, take a dark brown or dark grey color pencil and draw vein-like structures inside it. At this point, you can clearly observe all the different shading techniques and the different colors I've used for each of the feathers. Once you're done drawing your veins, complete the rest of the feather by shading it as you did in the beginning. Once you're done with all the feathers, you can move on to the headband. Another important thing you have to keep in mind while doing color pencil shading is that you need to keep layering all the different shades of color pencil to get your desired output. For the first headband she's wearing, I'm using the colors dark brown, light brown, beige, chrome yellow and white to blend it out. For the second headband she's wearing, I've used a sharp tipped pencil for outlining, and for the further details inside it, I've used a fine line marker. After that, I've used the colors yellow, orange and red to give it a beautiful ombre effect. For the third headband, I've used the same shading technique but with the color pink. After decorating it with some mandala patterns, I have used all shades of pink to shade it. For the earring of the girl, I first outline it with a black pen and then shade it with different and bright colors. Next, moving on to the girl's scarf, I use the same technique as we used in the feather by drawing the veins, outlining it with a dark pencil, and further shading it with lighter colors. Once you're done with it, you can move on to the face. For the face, I've used dark brown for outlining it, chrome yellow for further outlining, and peach for coloring and shading the face with. Then, I finished it off by outlining the eye and doing the eyelashes. Finally, I've added some dots as highlights with a dotting tool and white paint. You can also use whitener to do the same. It adds an extra pop to the picture and helps bring out the bright colors. Hope you all enjoyed it. Definitely try it out and show us the picture. Thank you.
Hope you liked that video, and don't forget to hit the like button and share, comment on this video. See you on the next one. Bye.